Want to install an app on your Android phone that isn't available on the Play Store? Do you know about an APK file? And installing an APK file is easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you how to install APK files easily on your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. For this example, I have downloaded the Fortnite APK. So if you have downloaded any other APK files, simply go to My Files to search for the file. If you have downloaded the file from somewhere, it should be in your downloads. Tap on the file, then tap on Install. You'll get a pop-up asking you for permissions, so tap on Settings, tap on Allow Permission, tap on Install, tap on Install Anyway. Once you're successfully installed, tap on Open. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me and this channel. And before you go, do check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.